Do you know many people are having trouble with adding an email address to their scanner? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Access scanner. Press the scanner button on the home screen to access the scanner menu. Step 2. Select email. Select Scan to Email and prepare your document for scanning. Step 3. Choose Sender. Tap Send Settings and select Sender to specify the sender email. Step 4. Enter email. Enter the email address manually using the on-screen keyboard. Step 5. Save address. Save the email address to the address book by selecting Reg to add book. Now you should be able to easily add an email address to your Ricoh scanner. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Ricoh users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.